Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will talk to you about the JBL Partybox 100. So this is the JBL Partybox 100 and this is the JBL Partybox 120. So as you see, they are almost similar. Both have 160 watts of power, both have internal battery, both sound very good, but in this video I want to talk only about the JBL Partybox 100, the old model, because this speaker broke down. So what I mean by broke down, I mean that the amplifier, it is dead. So what to do if the amplifier is dead and it costs just too much to replace it, or you cannot find the pieces that you need to repair it? So as you see, this is not turning on. I am pushing the on and off button, but it is not turning on. I bought this speaker a few days ago because I thought that this is very interesting. So the previous owner says to me that the speaker broke down and it uses this speaker for about 5 years, and after that, after a party, did not start, did not do anything, and he took it to a service store. Of course, after 5 years it doesn't have warranty, but the owner of the service told him that he could not repair it, the speaker, but he can replace the amplifier with a cheap amplifier and bypass all other function that this speaker has. So now the JBL Partybox 1000 doesn't have internal battery, doesn't have a light show, doesn't have nothing, but it has this amplifier and this Bluetooth receiver that works. So the service man told him this is the only way for this speaker to work, and let me show you how it works. I just plug it in.
Bluetooth mode.
This, I told you already, this is a cheap Bluetooth plus amplifier, you know. So we have here on the back the Bluetooth settings. So I just connected to the Bluetooth of this speaker. It says MP3, FM, USB, music speaker, and play our song.
Caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go with a little cash in the bag. Steady, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I just wanna stay mad, shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll just swing a knife till I hit something in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot, then I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, cut a shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Face the pain is
FM mode. UX mode. Bluetooth mode.
So that is the sound. I will play it again.
it makes me change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on me time. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap, only got in the back, city I'm bad, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad.
It has even an equalizer, jazz, classic, normal, pop, rock. So this is the sound of the JBL Partybox 100 repaired. What can I say about the sound quality? The sound quality is at around, I don't know, $30 or $40 cheap, the cheapest speaker that you can find on the market. So it sounds real bad, but it sounds loud. Should I recommend you to make this modification on your JBL speaker? No, no. For sure, the sound, it is just too bad to make this kind of modification, and I do not recommend this. I recommend you to buy another JBL Partybox 100, and with the pieces from the first or with the second, just replace them and you will have a very good sound quality. If you change the amplifier with a cheap one and put it an USB speaker over it, the sound will be not bad. You will not use the function, nothing is working. Yeah, so everything is by best. But yeah, from from a damaged speaker to a working speaker, yeah, it is a good choice, but the sound quality is just too bad to listen to it. So what will you do if your speaker broke down and you don't have warranty? This is a common question, and this is an answer, but for me this is not the good answer. As I told you, I should go with the speaker to a good service where it will repair the amplifier or the main power board or what is broken, because if you take out this old circuits and put this new amplifier and just connect the drivers to it, the sound will not be that good. So this was the video. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about it, and feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel. Cheers.